Welcome to Get Dressed with Me on this episode, double RL Sherpa jacket in brown with some cute little color decoration. Now the first look here is just a classic white t-shirt with jeans. These are redone classic line high-rise ankle crops with a white James Purse t-shirt and vintage red cowboy boots and my Stetson Tom Mix hat. I love it with this double RL Sherpa jacket, just for a classic kind of Americana vibe, and also something I can wear spring, summer, winter, fall, year round. I love pieces like this Sherpa jacket because you really can wear it year round. Great for camping in the summer, and great for layering up in the winter. Now here it is with a just classic gray yoga legging and some shearling lined Birkenstocks with a Brandy Melville camisole. This little Sherpa jacket's great for me for layering on top of my yoga clothes when I'm running in and out of the studio and I'm only going to be outside between my car and the studio for a hot minute. I love the little Sherpa jacket for that. Now the next look is what I really like, is kind of a monochromatic-ish all green look, or a slow Japanese army pants rolled up with some Adidas Sambas with earth shop kilties and a Patagonia fleece shirt with a double RL Sherpa line on top. There is a tiny bit of green in the design on the Sherpa, the double RL Sherpa, so I like bringing that out by the full green outfit underneath. This is definitely something that I would wear for running errands or just running around during the week or just being cozy next to the fire on the weekend. Then now I will put on my opaque Wolford tights. I pretty much live in these in the winter, and I like mixing this Sherpa up with a look that's a little bit more girly. This is an Alexandra style dress from Realization Par in a navy blue star, and some Rick Owens wedge platform boots and my Marc Jacobs snatch shop bag, also with the brown hints in it, so it all is kind of mixed together, like brown with like a fun navy blue little girly dress underneath. And then also my bra and knickers from this episode are from Rihanna's underwear line, Savage. I love it so much. I highly recommend checking it out. I'm a big fan. Super cute, comfortable styles, and I've been wearing a lot of it. Okay, now here we are with a Realization Par 1996 slep dress and a Chloe Python boot. Again, I like this Sherpa going kind of across my full wardrobe. I like it with something like this. It could be quite jazzy at nighttime, just dressing it up. See you guys in the next episode. Check you later.